guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about reality, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about anything you can relate to, anything relatable, we got you. So stay tuned, don't touch it because I'll be right back. Whoa, like this is my first video and I feel so happy. I feel so blessed. After so many procrastination, I'm going to do it today. No, let me do it next week. No, let me just leave it, Jerry. Let me leave it till next month. And finally, I'm doing this, right? I feel so happy. Well, my names are Chiamaka Gracious, and I am a content creator in a new company called Gabby Cuts Creatives. Yeah, I'm the content creator, and the company is basically for, brand designing. We do web design, we write content for companies, we do graphic designing, we do a lot of stuff, like they have to check us out we're on Instagram. Just check on Gabby Cuts Creatives, and we are on LinkedIn, we're on Facebook. Just search us via Gabby Cuts Creative. You might be thinking or you might want to ask, what plans do I have for this channel? Whoa. Well, I'm a very lively person, number one. I've got vibes on vibes, everything on check. Well, as I said earlier, this is a home for entertainment, reality, because I'm a realist. Yeah, I'm a real. This is a home for, lifestyle, anything relatable. We can talk about it here. I'm going to lay it all bare here. You get me? So there's no dull moments in this channel. I just want you to watch out for greater content, beautiful content. Just don't fold on me. I've got more big things coming.
Meanwhile,
So guys, I just stepped into Lufasi Nature Park. Well, I'm going to do a full video, tour around, but let me just show you guys this snippet of what this place looks like. This is let me show you. This is Lake Moses, and the signboard here says deep water, maximum of 8 persons allowed to be on the platform per time. Do not sit on the bridge, and noise free zone. Let me show you guys what the lake looks like. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of my video today, my introductory video. I hope you guys liked what you see. As I promised earlier, I am going to come specially for Lufasi Nature Park. I'm going to tour all round. I have a lot of scent around here, like a lot of things, beautiful things you guys need to see. I'm going to show you guys and break it down one by one when I come next time. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Make sure you subscribe, please. Till next time, same Chamis vlog, same girl.